California has been in a severe drought for the past 4 years, and we are suffering because of this. In order to adapt to this harsh reality, we the people need to be more efficient with our water use. In this experiment, I held and monitored my water use for a total of 6 days. I did it all on weekdays to get a more genuine feel. The first 3 days that I monitored were me on a daily basis, how much water I wasted on a daily basis. Whereas the following 3 days were me trying to reduce my water usage. For these days, I monitored the gallons of water wasted with every shower I took, every toilet flush, every drink of water, every laundry loaded, every sheet of paper, and the amount of water I put towards cooking. So, according to my data, my first 3 days, with me being my everyday self, I wasted approximately 250.202 gallons of water. For my first day of monitoring, I did my laundry and it had a really big impact on my data because the other 2 days I kind of averaged out with around 70 gallons per day. It was just the first day when I did the laundry that it went up to 117.5 gallons in one day. For my reduction days, I managed to only waste 127.225 gallons of water, with my average being only 42.4 gallons of water a day. Throughout this experiment, I was constantly surprised with the amounts of water wasted in certain categories that I chose. In particular, laundry wastes 23 gallons of water a wash, and sheets of paper, which is something that me myself as a student uses a lot of, wastes 3 gallons per sheet. The most challenging thing for me in this experiment was my shower times and reducing it, and also reducing the amounts of paper I used. Overall, this experiment was enlightening because I really learned to appreciate some of the certain things that we have as developed countries that a lot of other countries don't have the privilege of having, especially when it comes to how accessible water is to us and how sometimes we take it for granted.